And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 24. Let's get back to rounded corners. We use the rectangle tool, left click drag, and I've shown you that in the last couple of videos. We can set that to rounds and adjust it using the slider and even the values. But you can also see it's set to a relative value in percent. And if you check the box right here for absolute sizes, you can change that. But keep in mind, when you now, well, let's say go fairly low to 100, this will not adjust the corner anymore when it's set to absolute. Let me uncheck it. We have a relative value again, and I size up this rectangle, make it 10 times as big, and this actually resizes the corners now. So if I check the box, you can see the absolute value is now totally different. It's 10 times as much as it was. And if I size it down again, let's cut it in half, it stays. I set it to relative, size it up 2 times, and it's 2 times as big. You can also set it to absolute sizes for each corner individually. But the most important thing here is, as I've shown you, when you use absolute values and then you resize your rectangle, this will not resize the corners. So the radius will stay the same. So if you know that you want to resize your rectangles or whatever shapes you've got that have rounded corners, then it's way better to have it set to relative values. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.